Have you ever wanted to learn something in a snap?
Like playing a guitar riff in a week, speaking English without freezing, coding, passing a test, or mastering a skill everyone around you seems born with.
When you were a teenager, it was to impress.
Now, as an adult, it's to buy time, money, freedom, and stop feeling behind. But there's a problem. Most people study in the slowest way possible and think it's normal.
Because school trained us to memorize, not retain. Trained us to consume, not produce.
And here's the line that changes everything.
Learning isn't watching.
Learning is pulling it from your head and using it.
Today I'll give you a no BS method with 3 techniques that speed up any learning: 80-20, active recall, and spaced repetition.
And at the end, a simple 7-day plan so you can start today. Technique 1. 80-20. Stop studying everything.
The 80-20 rule says 20% of the content creates 80% of the result.
In any skill, there's a core that unlocks the rest.
Quick example.
Languages. The most frequent words plus basic structures give you most of communication.
Guitar. A few chords and rhythms hold up hundreds of songs.
Programming. Logic, variables, conditionals, loops, functions, and boom, you can build things.
Teen, you tried to learn everything to look like a genius.
Adult, you need the essentials to get fast results. How to apply it in 10 minutes.
Write the skill. Learn Excel. Learn English. Learn anatomy.
Ask, if I could only learn 3 things, what would give the biggest return?
Find the minimum curriculum, fundamentals, repeated patterns, and the most common mistakes.
80-20 is the filter. Now comes the engine.
Technique 2. Active recall. Memorize less, pull more.
Most people study like this. Read, highlight, watch a video, feel like they got it, and forget it the next day. Your brain gets comfortable when it sees the info and thinks, oh, I know this.
But in the test, the conversation, the job, it has to produce.
Active recall is simple. Close the material and try to remember.
Practical tools.
Write questions instead of pretty notes. Use flashcards, Anki, or paper. Answer out loud.
Do mini tests.
Golden rule. If you can't explain it without looking, you don't know it yet.
And that's where the Feynman technique comes. Teach it like it's for a 12-year-old.
If you get stuck, you found the hole.
Technique 3. Spaced repetition. Repeat the right way.
Repeating the same way every day isn't efficient. What works is repeating right when you almost forgot.
That's called spaced repetition.
Think of it this way. Forgetting is normal.
The secret is interrupting forgetting multiple times with short reviews.
A simple spacing model. Day 1. Learned.
Day 2. Quick review. Day 4. Review.
Day 7. Review. Day 14. Review.
And every review is active recall, not rereading.
5 to 15 minutes. No drama.
The spice that makes it all work. Deliberate practice.
It's not practice a lot.
It's practice with a target.
Deliberate practice has 3 steps.
Pick a micro topic, 1 exercise type, 1 chord, 1 verb tense.
Do it with feedback, correction, answer key, recording, a mentor, AI, a checklist.
Adjust and repeat.
You don't improve by repeating what you already know.
You improve by attacking what blocks you.
Cognitive hygiene, the Invisible Turbo.
If you want to learn fast, protect your brain.
Focus. 25 minutes with no phone, no tabs, just one thing.
Environment. Have the material ready. Low friction.
Breaks. 5 minutes to walk, water, light.
Sleep is when the brain consolidates memory.
Sleeping badly is studying with the handbrake pulled.
Mindset. Messing up isn't proof you're dumb. It's training data.
7-day plan. Start today.
Day 1. Define your 80-20. 3 pillars of the skill, plus a list of 20 questions.
Day 2. 20 minutes of active recall. Answer without looking, correct, and create 10 flashcards.
Day 3. 30 minutes of deliberate practice on the hardest point, plus 10 minutes of review. Day 4. Spaced repetition. Review flashcards and do 1 mini test.
Day 5. Teach it.
Record a 3-minute audio explaining the basics.
Day 6. Real simulation. Use the skill in a mini project, small and concrete.
Day 7. Final review. Test without notes, then adjust your 80-20 for next week.
Final challenge.
Pick one thing you want to learn, just one.
And do this today. Write your 80-20. Create 10 questions and do 10 minutes of active recall. You'll feel the difference because now you're not studying, you're training. And when you train the right way, you learn faster than most people. Not because you're smarter, but because you're finally using your brain's rules in your favor.